I'm Sabrina Samuels, and welcome to my show, Upfront and Personal. It's my intention to deliver information that will help us maintain a quality lifestyle in all aspects of our lives. So let's get started. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sabrina Samuels. To all of you fabulous ladies and gents, hope you're doing well. I'm hanging in there, as the old saying goes. You like my hair? I went and got it chopped off and, just a nice little blunt cut and kind of flip it up or down or however you want to wear it. I really like the look for the summer, of course. And I think I'll take it into the fall, but I like my hair accessories. Okay, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. I had a few people send me private emails asking me how do I keep my blood pressure down, how do I do certain things. Well, I want to share this little tip with you, and it's about your blood pressure. How do I keep my blood pressure normal, which for the most part is 127/28 over 78 or 79, and that's pretty good. I don't take medication. As I told you, I eat in moderation, but I eat whatever I want to eat. But what I do is deep breathing. This form of breathing will help your body, will help your mind, your spirit. It will actually feed the inside of the body. There is a whole new world inside of us. A whole new world inside of us. We can't see it, but we know it works. And in this world, it depends on what we put in it that gives the best results for the operation of this incredible body that we've been blessed with. It's been created for us, and we're to take care of it. Deep breathing is absolutely awesome. It's incredible. I'm changing my leg position because I want you to see. And I'm dressed up today because this is how I roll. But in the morning I do my deep breathing, and you can do it in your comfortable sleeping clothes, your robe, etc. But I'm going to show you what I do to help keep my blood pressure down and to help keep me calm in so many stressful times that we deal with. We need to keep calm. My blood pressure will go up, and I know when my blood pressure goes up and I shut everything down. You have to shut it down. You feel your body getting tense and elevated, and you're getting hyper, and you just don't feel quite the same inside. You have to shut down. Deep breathing will help you get back to normal. How I keep my blood pressure normal is through deep breathing, the exercises that I do every day and sometimes throughout the day. I'd like to show you, and of course I'm dressed up for you today. I put everything together for you. But in the morning, when I get up and do my first set of deep breathing, I have my robe on, and I sit in my bathroom on our tub there. It has a nice little seat. The tub ledge is really comfortable, and I cut my meditation music on and I start my deep breathing. And I want to show you some of the deep breathing movements I make. Sit straight, hands on the knees in the first exercise, and you want to close your eyes, and you want to just really breathe deeply in your nose. I hold it, I deep breathe in 4 seconds. I hold it for 4 seconds. And then I breathe out through my mouth. I'm going to do it properly now with 4 seconds in and 4 seconds out. I do 4 sets, 5 sets, I'm sorry, of each movement. After that movement, I turn to the side. This is to shrink your waistline. I turn to the side. My feet are straight, and of course, you have to just kind of visualize the experience. To the side, back straight. Make sure that bend is nice and twisted so that you can feel the pull. When you inhale deeply through your nose, when you exhale, make sure you blow that air out and tighten your stomach. Pull it in and hold your stomach in tight. Hold it in. Let's do the first one. I feel my stomach tightening up. You're actually training your muscles through breathing how to stay firm and strong. Now, you've got a big stomach, and it's okay. Don't expect this to work in 2 weeks. Give it a couple of years. Make it a lifestyle change, and that way you see results. One day you wake up and say, oh, I'm thinner. Oh, my stomach's flatter. Oh, I'm looking better. Because you've made the lifestyle change. You're not trying to keep up with how it looks right away, but you're making the changes so that you will be ready when the time hits. You're looking good, you're feeling good. Turn in the other direction. Breathe out and let it push out. I also open my legs at a straddle. Bend down. Breathe and arch that back, and of course within this position with this chair it's hard to do, but arch that back, breathe out, bring the hump up, squeeze that stomach in tightly, 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 hold it. Repeat that exercise and don't release your stomach. Do your stomach tight through the whole exercise. I do that, the last one I do, and I do a few other things, but I'm just giving you the gist of it, and you will be able to create your own movement based on what your needs are. But the last one is here. Blow it out. What it's doing is providing oxygen not only to your stomach, but through your mouth, throat, into the spinal cord. It takes care of all that. Release. Release. Okay, well, I hope that made sense to you. High blood pressure can be controlled, and you don't have to always take medicine, but you have to be careful. If you have high blood pressure, you've got to handle your business. You've got to eat right. You've got to take your medication. You can't just think, well, I'm feeling okay, so I won't worry about it, because high blood pressure is a silent killer. Do this whether you have high blood pressure or not. I just did it because I knew it would heal the body. On the inside of us, it's a living world on the inside of us. There's a whole new world on the inside of us. And what we put into that world will reflect out. What are you doing to reflect the beauty of the world within? What are you doing? Sometimes you really do have to have some discipline. Sometimes you really do have to say, I love myself enough to want to be healthy and not wear others down, not be a burden on other people because I decided that I didn't want to handle my business. Now I'm putting the burden on other people. Don't do that. Handle your business, baby. I'm a senior. And I know the fountain of youth starts with me. Like the fountain of youth starts with you. And your blood pressure, your cholesterol, your body on the inside that pumps the blood, that feeds the cells, that do everything we need to have done to have optimum health, is on us. We have to choose to get it right. So let's do that and live beautiful, live a long, healthy, happy, strong, dependable, independent life. I'm Sabrina Samuels. Go to my website, thebeckmanmethod.com. It'll show up at the end of the show. And if you need me, give me a call. I'm one of the few that still answers my phone when you call. I will call you back if I miss your call, and I will talk to you directly. You don't have to Zoom into me, and you don't have to in the chat box or chat box, or you can actually talk to me. Yeah, I'm still a real person. Until next week, I'm Sabrina Samuels, wishing you love, peace, happiness, and our Heavenly Father's divine order. See you soon.